Morris waiting on me. Good morning, everyone. Hi. I did move so I could put my foot on the step. That's good. That's good. Stripe's out here floating around somewhere. I didn't see any indications his cleaned up wound was having any trouble. It looked dry, not swollen, not oozing, healing. It's just shaved. You know it doesn't look pretty. Hi, Morris. Well, we've got another beautiful blue sky day. It's going to be in the 50s. They're talking about a real warming trend for us. I can deal with it. I really can. Marty had a little bit of a rough night, and therefore Mom did. Well, not so much night, but evening, with his mouth bleeding again. I keep on thinking we've turned a corner, and then, you know, things don't look good. He is eating and drinking this morning and went out to use the bathroom and saw Morris, so I'm sure it's better if I stay calm. She was, you know, Dr. Liz was really hoping at a 30-day recheck that the red blood cell count would be improved and maybe we could do anesthesia and see what's going on with his mouth, but it's a really fine line here between do more harm and do more good. So anyway, I've been a little distracted by that. We should get to the gym, and I had brought home a bag of Legos from Guardian Angel 2 or 3 weeks ago that I haven't opened yet, that has friend sets in it. So I want to get that opened. I'm ready to start the new project, but starting is the hardest part for me. I do have the parts that I ordered now, of course. Well, here we are, going inside. It's in the 50s, you know, it's not super warm out here. Certainly not warm enough to be out here without a light jacket or good long sleeves, but it's the wind today. You see the flags going, probably hear it in the microphone now. Today is an inside day, so inside we are headed. So right now I'm doing good with my fast. We got to be, I don't know, 40 hours in now or something, because what time do we say it was 48 hours, 8:30?
Yeah, something like that.
And it's 12:30-ish. So we're 40 hours in then.
39 hours, 54 minutes.
Okay, Mr. Engineer, I was 6 minutes off in my estimate. My estimate. Not my precise number, but my estimate.
Yeah, but my phone says 50.
Yeah. We're using Easy Life. Easy Fast app to keep track of start. Well, mostly just to keep track of when we do it, but also how many hours it's been going. And we're probably eating tonight, but there's a small chance we might go for 72. You hanging in there okay?
Yeah, hanging in there.
Me too.
Oh.
Your favorite. Well, actually, the one to your over your left shoulder is your favorite, but
yeah, the first set of these is not too bad. Second set, not too bad. The third set of these gets a little painful.
So this is the bag of Legos I had talked about. It's all friend sets. It looks like somebody inventoried it and everything. I'm going to open it up and see what's here. I may or may not put things back together. We'll just have to see. There were a lot of good sets in that bag. I've kept this one out because it's a bunch of bunny rabbits for Easter. They were all complete, and unless I wanted to display it right now, there really wasn't any reason to put them together. I have another bin that has bagged friend sets. If I need a dog or a cat or something, I can go raid it. So I'm going to start this big haunted house. It's got just shy of 3,500 parts. And it's going to take a while. It's especially going to take a while because the parts look like this. So, yeah, I'm going to be digging for parts. I don't have every single part in front of me that I need for it, but most of them. Ones that aren't in front of me, I should have in my stash, so I'll be going back and forth to bins. So this is one of those builds that's going to get me some exercise. And Stripe is keeping me company until I have to allow him to go outside. And Marty ran around for a good bit, but it's really not that warm, and I just want him to rest, so I'm not letting him go scurry the yard right now. He's on house arrest for the moment. So I was away for a bit working out spring break plans with Johnny. I'm making good progress. It's 4:30, and I did break my fast and have a coffee and a few pieces of roast beef. Be making bacon here shortly. Dawn's trying to finish up for the day. We're going to have bacon and eggs for dinner tonight. I'll probably slice up a little bit more of the leftover picanha roast. And Marty really, really wanted to go back outside, so I let him go for a few minutes and told him not to go too far. I'll get him back in. He's hanging in there today, but not as perky as other days after the episode with his mouth last night, so I'm just keeping a close reins on him today. I made it to step 44. We've got a spider, a rat, a bone, a skeleton, and a lobster. So this will all be covered up by the floor, but it's tradition kind of to hide a few things in the basement. So we got a few things in the basement.